For the past hour and a half, I've been attempting to unbox an unusual object. It appears to have come from the United Kingdom. I've tried all sorts of implements, a knife, scissors, pliers, and yet I'm still working on it. I'm going to attempt my hair clippers now. Whatever this is, it's encased in an almost impregnable fortress of packaging. No, that's not working. Better go back to the knife. I think I'm almost there. We in America love our unboxing videos, and hoping that whoever sent this to me from merry old England will oh! Alright, I think I'm getting somewhere, almost. Uh-oh. Let's see. We made some progress. Oh my goodness. Okay, now. Oh, yeah. I'm going to try the hair clippers on this last part. Ethnically English myself, and very much opposed to Brexit, I begin to fear this could be something nefarious from Nigel Farage. Eureka! Alright, what could this be? Oh my goodness! My favorite artist sent me a painting. Thank you, Ron Bateman, Jan Bateman, and your lovely daughter, Caroline Bateman Tremelling. Nancy, come and take a look. Wow. And I think this has historic import in that it may be the first painting that the great Ron Bateman has painted in many a year. Look at this, Nancy. Isn't this great? God bless you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Seriously, all joking aside, I can't tell you how thrilled we are.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Ron. Thank you, Caroline. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, other Batemans everywhere.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Oh, man. Edward Hopper. Gregory Gillespie, Rembrandt. It's all the artists that he was inspired by. Ron Bateman is a fantastic artist. You can see more of his work at his website and on Instagram. To learn about his fascinating life and career, check out my YouTube movie, Ronald Bateman, An Unforgettable Artist.